Hi everybody, this is my family.
Hi.
This is Bobby. He just turned 15 yesterday. This is Emma. This is my wife, Miss Mommy. This is Elisa. This is the big fella, Nathaniel.
Hi.
I'm Jason. And we are, what's this event called?
Touch a Truck.
Touch a Truck. And we're going to check out this event because Mr. Nate here loves everything mechanical.
And he also has
so
cars.
We're looking forward.
And I also have cars in my hands.
All right, so let's go.
Thank you. Have fun. Bye.
All right, the big fella's getting ready to climb up.
Never stop, never stop.
Can you get up there, buddy?
Everybody loves it.
You going up?
I'll go up. Buddy. I want to go up.
Wait a second.
Nate, stay in there. I want to come up.
Get going. I've already seen that over here.
I just don't want to honk the horn.
You don't have to.
Yeah. All the buttons.
Pull the cord.
Oh, he said he's afraid of that.
Oh, is he?
Pull the cord there, buddy.
Pull the cord. Pull the cord.
C'est le camion.
Pull it.
Okay, come on, guys. Next one is going to be a fire truck.
I want to see the fire truck. Not a hat? You're welcome. You guys like baseball? Got Blue Jays cards. Oh boy. You guys want cards? Yeah. You want hats?
Question for you. How come the fire truck's at the bottom? Down here in your shirt. Shouldn't it be up here? Yeah, it should be at the top of the left side right there.
Yeah. I buy the fire truck.
Oh, do you?
I buy this truck.
Ah, you should tell them to change it around. Put the fire truck at the top. Hey, we're more important. Who's number one?
There we go.
The fire truck's number one.
You going to go in?
You gonna go
Want to go in the truck?
Only on the back.
In here?
in the back?
You want to go in the front?
I don't want to go.
No? Look at it. Well, to put some strings on those things. Tell them to start building them with strings.
What do you think, buddy?
Good? Is that cool?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's those things? You know what those things are there? There, in the,
Not built for
in the
comfort, I
seat
think.
there?
No.
The mouse up there? What are these things doing? That's
They usually
our
design it to
airtime.
cram as much space for
So we can
storage
breathe
as
and
they can.
smoke.
Absolutely. So you can get as much equipment on.
Well, that's what we hook up to these, so we can breathe, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. And that's all of our controls up there that pump all the water.
Yeah.
Nice, eh?
Yeah.
I want one of these. What is this? Wow, very cool.
It's comfy.
Yeah.
It's probably
This thing is pretty sick.
It's a race car, Dad.
That's pretty awesome.
That's cool.
A Dodge Challenger. Very cool.
If you want, he can hold the trophy to dig a hole in front of it. Picture with the trophy. There we go. In front of the car. There we go.
It's called the Dodge Challenger, me.
Yeah, 73.
That's older than Mommy and Daddy.
Really?
Yes.
Honk the horn, Nate. You honk the horn?
No, he doesn't want to.
Look at the suspension.
You want to sit on it? Go ahead there, yeah. It's probably hot though, eh?
Is it hot, buddy?
Yeah, the tank's hot too. It's not that bad actually. The seat probably is. Here, you can sit on this thing. Try that out.
What's she looking at?
You just put your foot on this thing here. Sit on there, you go. How's that? You like that? My seat's really hot. The tank's
Look at you.
Your tank's really hot the way it curved.
Another motorcycle.
Got it?
How come you guys aren't sitting on it?
I don't want to.
No, I do.
Don't. I'll sit in the next one.
Hands on, full throttle. Love it.
This is our old neighbor, Sandro.
How are you?
Wow.
Welcome sit.
What is this, buddy?
Welcome sit. Come on the other side.
You want to go on the other side?
This is a police vehicle.
Wow.
How you doing?
Look at you.
Staying out of trouble?
Yes.
Look at all of that leg room.
Oh, that's all I'm doing. You can go.
Well, aren't you a little young to be sitting in the back of one of those things?
You're never too young if you're not good.
I was just joking around.
So don't tell your line.
Do you want to?
Yeah, let's do the alarm.
Yeah.
Let's capture this on video.
Nate,
Yeah.
come on.
Come on, buddy.
Plug your ears.
Oh, that's okay. Don't let the
There.
one.
Woohoo!
Turn it on.
Did you hear that?
Here's a dump truck.
You don't have to honk the horn.
Just go in the back of it.
No, we're not going to honk the horn. But you can climb up
Hey
and sit
Nate,
there.
there's Coach Carter. Say hi to Coach Carter.
There's a playground here.
Am I in your way, Dad? This is where they dump Greg.
Want some help?
Big steps.
Yep.
Enjoying this, eh?
Oh, he loves it.
They sure have a lot of leg room back there, yeah?
Oh yeah.
Are you going to sit on the seat? Oh.
Emma, come up.
Says
It
on
is
the
a
bottom it's
bobcat.
Well, I mean, I'm not an animal.
Oh, sign the way.
Did you see that?
Here, I want to go in there.
It's Daddy's turn.
It's Tractor Tom. Tom, Tom.
Oh, Tractor Tom. I remember that.
You sit down. I want to sit back there.
Can you go stand beside the wheel?
Huh?
I think the wheel's taller than you.
Can you hold this one second?
cool?
Yeah.
Boy, you are high up.
Yeah. I am high up. But I need help getting down.
Okay.
I'll help you.
Yes, for mom. Okay. He likes the music, eh?
This is a utility truck, I think. Okay, so we're checking out this relatively new store that has opened in Kirkland Lake. Elisa has been here before, but I've never been in, and it's called A Buck or Two Plus. And I think it's called that because it's everything is probably plus $2. So let's check it out. Cool. This used to be the location of the giant tiger, but they have relocated into a bigger space.
We're painting tonight.
What are you buying?
Paint supplies.
Mom, look at this.
Yeah.
This is the size that I need right here. How much are these?
Yes.
I love pink.
You'll have to look.
What are you looking at there, Bob?
Grab some pencils because I need some.
What do you do with your pencils?
No, I'm just some sketching and stuff like that.
Yeah.
So I ran out of pencils.
Okay. Hey, so we made it home from our excursion to the touch truck and to the store, and we took the kids to a place called the Konogami Kitchen for a little bite to eat. And now Nate's out here jumping on this beautiful trampoline that was given to us by the Murphys, and we're so grateful for it, and he absolutely loves it. Just loves jumping on here. This is our place.